Naka-choose ka na, girl? Naka-choose ka na? Hindi pa? You good na? Nakaselect ka na? Yes? Are you happy with your choice? Okay, let's see later. Let's wait for them to get in. Sophie!
Thank you po sa mga nag-pledge. Thank you po. Nakabili na ako ng laptop ko. Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
The size also? Okay. Ready to go home? Yes? Happy? Excited?
Got a laptop.
So,
Hello.
you working na?